Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the EURUSD daily research. Today, unfortunately, I have to use MetaTrader 4 trading platform because I have some problems with the CQG. So there are a lot of stuff has happened during the previous trading day, and market has shown the solid sell-off during the trading session. As you later see, there was no buy signal during the previous trading day. So let's talk about the daily picture first. As you can see, market started thrust down, reached the 3-2 support from this high to this low. This was 3-2 here. Retraced, hit 50% retracement, support, retraced. This is also was the 3-2 resistance from this high to this low, by the way, and has shown strong sell-off. So right now it's look like the possibly continuation of this down move. Look at this pattern: A, B, C tap, 618 target, agrees with 618 support from this high to this low. Makes agreement. Also, who has read my weekly research, we talk about the possibility of momentum trade to the downside on the weekly chart. So possibly our assumption about the possibility of upper momentum trade, that could be the more recent momentum trade from this thrust, possibly has been negated by this sell-off. At the same time, market hasn't confirmed yet the trend shifting, so it's still bullish right now, and if market will pass through this 50% support area, the trend can shift to the bearish. So this is right now the most important level of support. When market will reach it for the second time, it will not be so strong, and I'm afraid that possibly we still can see the breakout of this area. It will depend from right now from this current level of 26.71. This is the 4-hour chart of EURUSD. So you can see strong sell-off, no sign of respect to any of Fibonacci support level. Market hit 3 to 50%, 618, no pullback. As you remember, our trading plan was the waiting for the pullback from one of the supports levels. Personally, I expect from 1.757. If we'll see some pullback, if trend will turn to bullish, we can enter the retracement to the possible move to the upside. So this hasn't happened. Market just collapsed right here, reached deep support, 786 Fibonacci support from this low to this high, and reached this trend line. So right now our trend is bearish. There are three possible development of price action can happen during the nearest days, and I offer you to discuss each of them. This is a very short-term perspective. The green line is a 3x3 moving average. This is the great thrust to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bars to the downside. Even 10. There was no close above the 3x3. So if market will show some retracement to the upside, the very short-term possibility is the scalp trade to the downside, like the Jordan Apple bread and butter. A possible trade, this kind of momentum trade, if market will close above the 3x3, reach deep level of resistance, for example 382 resistance from this high to this low. So we can make a scalp trade with the target to the downside, 618 support from whole reverse move to the upside. If market, for example, reach this area and starts to move down, the target will be 618 support from this reverse move So this is the very short term. In the long term picture, rather, very much will depends from this trend line, from this deep Fibonacci support 786 support, and how market will act around this area. This is one of the possible scenarios. If this area holds and market will break above these highs, this can be a butterfly sell with a target around 130.12. This is 127 expansion from this high to this low, or 131.25. This is one of the possible scenarios to the upside if this level will hold. If this level will not hold and market will break below this 50% daily 50% support, then we can see another scenario. From this high to this low, this will be the butterfly buy. It will look like this. Personally, I think that this scenario is more probable than the upper scenario, because this is a really strong sell-off, and this precisely trade to resistance from this high to this low when market will. This also A, B, C, D, almost perfect retracement to the upside, and starting sell-off makes me think that this move probably will continue. Well, if this pattern will prevail, the target of this pattern is around 124.98, very close to our 124.50 target of the daily 618 support, or if it will be 1618 expansion to the downside, this could be 123.85. So that's been said, track the price action around this Fibonacci support area 126.74. If it will break to the downside, if it will break this level of Fibonacci daily Fibonacci support around 50%, and I personally think that this scenario has a more probability than the reverse to the upside. So then we probably will reach our target of the weekly momentum trade around 124.50. Also, as I said, there is a possibility to make a scalp trade, on the 4-hour chart to the downside. If market will close above the 3x3, will reach the Fibonacci resistance, we can enter on the short side with the possible scalp trade. So be careful. Now there are a lot of stuff on the market happening right now. So just track the price actions and look for the possible scenario around this level of support and this level of support.